Triangles. Triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. Types of triangles by length of side. Equilateral triangle. Has all sides the same length with all angles measuring 60 degrees. Isosceles triangle. Has 2 sides of equal length. Also, has 2 angles of the same measure. The angles of opposite to the 2 sides of the same length. Scalene triangle. Has all its sides of different lengths. Also, it has all angles of different measure. A right triangle is also a scalene triangle, if and only if it has not isosceles. Trivia. Hatch marks, also called trick marks, are used in diagrams of triangles and other geometric figures to identify the sides of equal length. Types of triangles by internal angles. Right triangle. A triangle that has an interior angles measuring 90 degrees. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, the longest side of the triangle. Trivia. The other 2 sides are called the legs, catheti. Pythagorean theorem. The sum of the squares of the lengths of the 2 legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Formula. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Oblique triangle. A triangle that does not have a measurement of 90 degrees. Acute triangle. All interior angles measuring less than 90 degrees. Obtuse triangle. One interior angle measuring more than 90 degrees.
These are the fundamental theorems and postulates that support the similarities among triangles.
SAS postulate. 2 sides in a triangle have the same length as 2 sides in the other triangle, and the included angles have the same measure. ASA postulate. 2 interior angles and the included side in a triangle have the same measure and length, respectively, and those in the other triangle. SSS postulate. Each side of a triangle has the same length as corresponding side of the other triangle. AAS postulate. 2 angle and the corresponding non-included side in a triangle have the same measure and length respectively as those in the other triangle. Hypotenuse Leg Theorem. The hypotenuse and a leg in a right triangle have the same length as those in another right triangle. Hypotenuse Angle Theorem. The hypotenuse and acute angle in one right triangle have the same length and measure respectively as those in the other triangle. Side-side angle or angle side-side postulate. Condition.